Setaheen, my name is David Hamilton, Executive Director at the Cedar Cultural Center.
My name is Abdulrazak Kahiye. My nickname is Harbi. Everybody knows Harbi.
We're here to tell you about an exciting after-school program for children in kindergarten through 8th grade. This program will cover African arts and culture. And these programs are known to help students learn more about their history, install pride, and also help them in any school subject.
waxaan ahay macallin idin bari doona dhaqamada kala duwan ee Soomaalidu leeyihiin haddii noqon lahayd ciyaaraha Dhaanto, haddii noqon lahayd Buraanbur, iyo waliba sida loo xirto dharka hidaha iyo dhaqanka Soomaalida.
Again, this is at the Cedar Riverside Community School every Tuesday and Thursday from 2:30 to 5:30. To enroll, call 612-339-5767. Sodawada.